Ladies and gentlemen, make your mental blueprint and get ready to celebrate the biggest, the baddest, and the bluest Jubilee ever. Blue 5. Oh yes, this time around we plan on making things even more hotter, featuring one of the greatest lineups yet. Celebrating 5 years of success with us, we bring to you the creators of Wow Effect, Icons, our young legend, Jeon in Upgrade Music, and last but not least, Mamma Mia, Buleria will close off the night with a special lineup featuring La Familia, Tyrone de Freitas, and Tommy Lee. Musical entertainment will be powered by DJ Vibes. So be the first to get your tickets at Citgo Boulevard and Citgo Essaville. For your VIP reservations, call 733-3131. See you soon on October 5th, 2019 at the Renaissance Convention Center for Blue 5. Blue 5 is powered by Hennessy, Belvedere, Monkey Shoulder, and Elite Productions.